Hello. I don't know what is happening. See, whether these fellows are planning to, these fellows are telling the 18 to 20, they're planning to deport you, or that's the thing. And so then I have seen on post that January 8, and that person died and born and died on March 14, and March 14, Stephen Hawking. No, 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 no. One another person born and that person died on. No, no, that person died on January 8, and that day Stephen Hawking born, and that born he died on March 14, and March 14 that on another person born like that. And see, these all culture, ഇയാൾ ഒരു വെറും psychic genitally disorder culture പെട്ട ഇയാളെ I will post that. But these fellows are putting that next room that Bengali girl on somebody has kept in my underwear is checking and whether they are Kudu. തലയ്ക്ക് വെറും ജനറ്റിക്കലി സെക്ഷൻ അടിച്ചിട്ട് ഇയാൾ പരന്നാറിപ്പട്ടണം. See that photos I will post. These fellows are blocking that to post and that same way that Bill Gates is sexually genetically sexual vaikratangalulla. That's the reason that Melinda French Gates, she's a college lady, she divorced from him. These all are genetic crack devils. They will go to any level and any stream. And to the Paranara Chetan Chedilota potty. See this that COVID, that variation that will affect my meningitis, these all things, the brain affect, then the mitochondria, everything will devastate. That's the chemicals these fellows have put to that through INA or this sort of everywhere these Malayalis only catch incapable fellows. Very see, just understand, you fellows took 2 years to understand me. See, you need to understand why I came yesterday. There are that what Arida Basi and that Manojita, both of them were by seeing me, they came out and they were okay, Jayas, then where you are. Also, 1 week he was on leave like that. And these fellas are catcher of fellas. Everybody was getting overall that I helped you because I posted that and all things I say. But these fellas see there because they are with their lifestyle, that and all this only. That's the thing you need. See, you people are not knowing what you people were having a world on top on scientist was with you people. നിന്നെയൊക്കെ നിന്റെയൊക്കെ അമ്മയും അച്ഛനെയും ചേരൊക്കെ നിൽക്കുന്ന പട്ടി ചേരക്കുട്ടികൾ the various fellows inside. But this is what this bastard used to. You have not even knowing ABCD of anything. ഇയാളൊരു വെറും കച്ചറ പട്ടിയാണ്. കച്ചറ പുഴുത്ത കുറേ ഒരു ഗെയിമിംഗ് വെച്ചായിട്ട് കിടക്കുന്ന വെറും മാസ്കോൾ കച്ചറ ചേരൊക്കെ നിൽക്കുന്നത് ഇയാളെ വേട്ടയിൽ നിന്നൊക്കെ. Actually, Abhishek, you people are depending on me and what I have to do. That the entire battalion lobby is there and you are screwing up and all, right? See, where you fellas are not having the courage. See, his career is your career is spoiled by him. So, all the process, everybody is exciting in there. Na? So, just to put the chemicals to actually. When I have a doubt whether process Pushpak's team is whether you only putting the chemicals because that's you are this much desperate, you are creating the confusion, this screwing up, lying, everything you are doing kachra. So the same chemicals in IIT Bombay. So there I know that there is Kerala connection. That same connection and the same kind of chemicals only being put up on here also. So, but Pushpa's team there is, but you also suspicious. That's the thing. See, my brain and then a veteran Poland and in such a really in a polar shaman, but a pot in Nano, Jonagata, Chavada, but in the end, the Jivik in the Kute. Levilati Paranari correct, Paranari, Paranari, Cheta, Europe, straight on some Paranari potty. Near the Gondata. See, why I'm telling that straight because your activities, the how a woman, a man is living with a quality woman, how the will infer and how the characteristics, everything we can understand. And which womb you bought, you brought, no, you got born, okay? Culture of frauds. The same way, this Abhishek thing also that your mother and the culture of three. That's the thing. And one more thing you need to understand, Professor Pushpa, where you see me and she and you through my mother, brother, you knew and Amekus Parana pull and a party. You should know what is that quality lady. Jerry, I told now at the age of 8, her father died. So they had lots of properties and big trees and there's 4 kids and no, yeah, their grandmother only was there. That the home is in isolated place, and so their father's relatives, they used to come and trouble them, harass them, and also from childhood onwards there is nothing that guardian. So like that, the way they were in so much of stress. And then when she got married to our father's house, also there also she was having the most properties and she was much beautiful. So at that time there are some. My father's second cousins, they all are there. They are under their lobby, under their everybody is having eye on her, and she won't money. So that's it. But this fellow is to trap my father. The same way this Abhishek, now but I also my brother everything. So that's it. So over time, for resisting them, for showing the frustration towards them, and she's not having any other way. So that's why she started showing anger means like then harsh words she started telling. That's for recovery, so that over the period it got accumulated. But actually this Lakshmanan only, so when he was not able to get me, see, he screwed up. He gave money to the people like this Pushpa. What is doing? This is what I'm telling, genetic disorder. They are the people, and that some kachara SST fellows and all there to trap my father, and he made my father as an alcohol addict and all. So many things, how much level my father went into. That is what that push that Jeshmana, that same way this Pushpa sexual trap and like already, yeah, this is what a genetic disorder when they are not getting into culture about this master like through that arca mestra into the agent under what on a pudutha chet. That's it. So don't get it. These stories, half of the reports, half of them are false only. I know very well how they will propagate and create what they want to. They decided that because now through Barjode Yatra, the boom you got to, they got shattered, Modi got shattered from. So that's why they got no devastated. That's the thing. I told that not even a single person is there in the Congress or anywhere to help you. Also nobody. That especially that Jagadish Singh and Paranar, you people don't believe them. These all fellows who are all I am approaching this fellows immediately Chandramani to give offer. That's what he told that this last 2 days he went into abroad like that. Also the Alangar Kaushal this for these kacharas, it's a business. For money they will do anything. That's the reason. So don't delve into it. So anyway, these fellows who are all, I communicated the thing to that Kolapurpala. But the thing that these fellows again for the money, and how these fellows are actually, see, you fellows are not having any eligibility to talk to me. See, even IIT Bombay, this professor actually also that my patent, that uncertain theorem, within one hour or something only, me and that Bharat Bhushan Tripathi, he was able to take the way my idea thought process, he was able to correlate. That's how our rhythm in that one night in 2012 we formulated. That's a, see just how much, understand how much my brain got devastated. And see, are crack Pushpa patate paranari chete the noy no and the pere church and no could pulle paranari. You should understand that 2003 I sensed the ace that when the 5th generation, and what are my plans and what was my background in Nepal education at the paranari chete in a vote or in the motonim in the Amisha, yeah, the pull and money in the Varakanga Jay Amichai paranari party. But she ended way against supporting because you fellows nobody will talk now. None of them have minimum manners or culture. You people are not into whom you are playing and how much. See that nowadays, yesterday also I was walking that I showed that now out of frustration because now I cannot hold this in room. I am sitting, otherwise now outside I cannot sit. I am forcefully holding. I have to walk. That's the thing. In home also that was the thing. Our home was some 11 room big home, and I used to walk continuously from round in my mother. What is your problem? So that's the thing. And you can talaki brand and culture of pot, you could probability ABCD and the punaka. You know, on what basis and religion are making them. Also, these chemicals, this is Kerala Casey was playing up. Or Narana Samakur, that also, because Narana said that Narana saw me that for them called to Mumbai through Rajay Makan and all this, Shashi Thurur, this all screwing a piece there, and they are also grabbing. Everybody is desperately sold. The same way that Mohan and Kachara. See, who are all I'm telling that they are sexually trying to insult me or something, immediately this devil will reach there and give offers. This is the way this fellow went and gave offer to that Lakshmana. You can business play. That in the useless the president came to I remember here Rangamanaji and I went 30 paranari. Actually, I wish I could where are you people? See, there is one thing Arali that in that temple that flower that leaf and flower, both are poisonous. If it is getting inside, they will die. The same way. See, you people also put chemicals, and so everybody collectively together put wherever will get water thing will eat. That is what's the same way. So collectively act and kill. Actually, you people only putting chemicals or who are putting them. Also, this Bill Gates, he should not leave again because now he's a cultural gentle. He is only putting this viruses and all now so that now they can sell their vaccines so that they can grab. This is sort of their business, the assholes. So now the next time, every instantly they will put up and lockdown, everything is set up ready. So you don't get ill to anything and you don't go, okay? See, you yourself created the thing because you are not knowing what are the things I am doing and I am who am I and what I am. And then you want to that in the other question, നിന്റെ തലയ്ക്ക് പ്രാന്ത് പിടിച്ചതിൻ്റെ ഓട്ടം അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇതെല്ലാം സംഭവിക്കുന്നത് കേട്ടല്ലോ. ഒന്നാമത്തെ even though I am telling that don't go. And this case you 2-3 days back only he used to if it is together so everybody can a crack. And നിനക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി you are the only one reason culture not even having minimum manners or culture. And എന്ത് വടക്കാണെന്ന് പട്ടി. My personality is getting distracted. Culture of frauds. എനിക്ക് ഈ ഹൗസ് എൻ്റെ ചെക്കനിക്ക് എൻ്റെ കുറേ സ്റ്റാഫുകൾ ഇങ്ങനെ പട്ടി. See, when we will go to a person's house, so from their staff or overall their behavior we can understand that person's what is their activity. If a qualified leader or qualified person, they know how to manage their staffs and they will give the instruction how they have to behave to the outsiders. The same way I am going to that Mughal Vasnik also, but this his secretary also everywhere, the mental everywhere. നിനക്കൊക്കെ സ്റ്റാഫ് പിന്നെ പൊല്ലനെ പൊട്ടി ആണും പൊണ്ണും കൊട്ട ചേറ്റ കുത്തൻ പിന്നെ വേട്ടേരുടെ പുഷ്പം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പാരനാറിച്ചേറ്റെ ജനറ്റിക് ഡിസോർഡർ പുഴുത്ത പട്ടി നോക്കണം എൻ്റെ ടീത്ത് നിന്നെ വേട്ടിയെറിഞ്ഞ് നിൻ്റെ ശവതാവും കഴിഞ്ഞവരെ ഞാൻ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കട്ടെ പാരനാറി പട്ടി ആണും പൊണ്ണും കൊട്ട ചേറ്റ പുഴുത്ത ശവം പിടിച്ച ജന്മമേ ABC നടത്ത പുഴുത്ത പട്ടി. നീ എന്ത് തെങ്ങിക്കട റിസർച്ചിൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന പട്ടി കുറേ NLP നീ എന്തുണ്ടാക്കി പാരനാറിച്ച് നിനക്ക് ഡി നോട്ട് അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് ടു റൈറ്റ് എ ജേണൽ പേപ്പർ പുഴുത്ത പട്ടി കാച്ചറ അലവലതി സൈക്കോ നിന്നെ വേട്ടിയെറിഞ്ഞ് കൊഴുത്തോളം പുല്ലുണ്ടതിനെ നാണം കെട്ട നായെ പാരനാറിച്ചിട്ട്. സി യു ഡോണ്ട് തിങ്ക് ദാറ്റ് നിന്നെയൊക്കെ പ്രൊപ്പഗേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് മൊയ്യൊക്കെ വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്നു. സി ഇറ്റ്സ് മൈ ചലഞ്ച്. I can make that BJP won't win even a single set. That much confident I am. I can do that. But these kangaroo leaders ആർക്കും അഹങ്കാരം അവൻ്റെയൊക്കെ അമ്മേരെ തേങ്ങ പൊട്ടിച്ചിട്ട് ഇതിലുള്ള പല പട്ടികളും പുറത്ത് പോകണം. ദാറ്റ്സ് ഇറ്റ്. അതിന് പിന്നെ നീ രാവിലെ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പറന്നറി ആണും പെണ്ണും കിട്ടും ആസ്കോൾ നീ എന്ത് തേങ്ങ ഉണ്ടാക്കണോ പുല്ല് നിനക്ക് അത്രയ്ക്ക് അവനൊക്കെ തള്ളെ കൊല്ലി. ആ പുഴുത്ത സ്ത്രീ ജീവിച്ചതിട്ട് ഒരു കാര്യമില്ല. See, my mother, she's a qualified lady, quality lady. You do not know how she is to treat other children and how she is to take care and everybody. And she might scold and all. That's the thing. The hard-working people, they will be like that only. And due to the situations. And so, to that lady, I am telling that when this fellow, she's getting under, I am telling her to go and die. I don't know. So like that. Because that's how, this is not like pouring all the crime, fraud and crime. That is not the way. Where it is wrong, we have to tell wrong. That's the thing. Mandavati. Correct. So the other thing, they might be planning that to make me go then to Pranidhi. That Pranidhi is not there. Then this matana alanaranya verum kachara theri potiki vodaka olaka enakku endu thenga evada endu kitte vayikkan narakkana veru vayikkan narakkan Mandavati. I told that Himalayan trekking that this will be. I know that you desperately need a break from the because now I can understand how these all fellows will say they are desperately waiting for everybody for some coffee shop. Everybody is saying that so such by tongue vayikku thenga narakana pulli. Idinake see out by year. I told her that's the same way how these fellows are blocked Huda and Kumara Soldier. See, this is the way. So incapable fellows they will screw up and boost so that they can control and they will be the puppet. And so the same way this Mughal Vasnik thing also so that's what I don't want completely to give the control to anybody because this scenario these doubles are like that. But these fellows will not communicate also that the hot house encourage this is way they are doing their father sees to sell mother to multiple men and take the produce. That's the thing. See the college way I am not getting influenced or anything because that's what the culture are doing. ഇയാൾ പറയുന്നില്ലേ നിനക്കെത്ര പട്ടി നിന്റെ അമ്മേരെ മറ്റനോടെ പുല്ല് കോച്ചറന്ന് നിന്റെ നോക്കോട്ടരിയും പുഴുത്ത പട്ടി ആലവിലാതി നായെ കാച്ചറ ബംഗാളി ഏരപ്പ സപ്റ്റി ടങ്കീടർ പൊട്ടിച്ചേറ്റ് കോച്ചറ നിന്നെ വെട്ടി എറിഞ്ഞ് നിന്നെ ചവിട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ പുല്ലെന്നവനെ പഴുത്ത പട്ടി. പിന്നെ നേരെ കൃഷീച്ചനൊക്കെ അവൻ്റെയൊക്കെ സി ജസ്റ്റ് അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് ഒരു UK പ്രൈം മിനിസ്റ്റർ ജസ്റ്റ് കമ്മിങ് ക്രിക്കറ്റ് കളിയൊക്കെ വഴിച്ച് കിടക്കുന്ന പാരനാറി വഴിച്ച് കിടക്കുന്ന പട്ടികൾ. ഇതൊക്കെ ഒരു ബറ്റാലിയൻ ഉണ്ട് കാച്ചറകൾ. സെയിം പോലെ RBI ഒരു ഗവർണൻസിൻ്റെ ചെയർമാൻ പാരനാറികളോ വേട്ടിയെറിഞ്ഞ് ചവിട്ടുകളുണ്ട്. ദ സെയിം സെബി ചൗബാസി ചൗധരി NTR ബംഗാളി ലോബി നിന്നൊക്കെ everybody will be in the peace, absolute peace. But നിൻ്റെ ഒക്കെ arrogance അഹങ്കാരം yesterday that devil's dialogues and see people are knowing that morning also I came that if somebody want to talk that I know that how they will do that. നിൻ്റെ കാലവലതി കാച്ചറ from the past 2 years how much my brain was people are noting all the worldwide professors everybody this research accounts and failed not just because of me all out because yeah my mails everything but the Cambridge Oxford everybody is knowing that what are the things really happened over there. Okay, so when I moved started so they everybody acted collectively. That's the thing. The same way here also US also everywhere. So again you fellas Also, see, one thing is there. See, there is some truth. There is something. See, I have an inclination towards Europe, but from years, I don't know, from 2008 onwards, it is getting blocked. So there is something because I have that entire Europe I have connections. So Austria is my favorite country, and then Italy also I have that my that Enrico Franconi. Then that Italy that there is a nice group. Na Rajan went to Italy only there. Then there are more things. See, that's the reason this I understood the dangerous situation in Cambridge, Oxford, Brook, and that Mauritian and that in Imperial. Then I have another my neurosymbolic direction. I have some other connections, and everywhere this kachara patiyala വെട്ടി കൊനികൾ വെറും പുഴുത്ത നായണികൾ പരന്നറിശാവം കാച്ചറ അത്ര മൂടിയൊക്കെ കുറേ ഷോയും കാണിച്ച് കഴിക്കാൻ നടക്കുന്ന നിന്നൊക്കെ ബട്ട് നിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ അഹന്തയും അഹങ്കാരം നിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ കുറേ ഹൈ ക്ലാസ് കഴിക്കാൻ നടക്കുന്ന പട്ടി. Just understand, none of these fellows have any eligibility to spell. Then again, the kind of dialogues coming from their mouth and a potty. You cut a screwing up with the manipulation. Where do you call it on pull that? The same way the champion can tell us a catcher. Even just give a catcher. And anyway, I know your background, everything. And what are the stories you are telling? These fellows are pointing also. First, you should think about yourself. So, what is so they might have projected that some video, that some social video or something like that. Only that message is I could understand. So, at that time, we didn't think about it. How many fellows you are sucking at? What are the things? What is your eligibility? That you, this is what the people used to. You have to use. It's a correlation. Also, say about the money or anything that. So, people, you should think that how you people got the money. That it has to have money and sex is not the thing, and there is things beyond that. And then what are these fellows are using peace and all, you are not going to get a peaceful life. That's the reason I am telling that we should go to a truthful way. There is a transformation. That's what Himalayan. Actually, I told the conversion. See, I will take baptism from Pope Francis. That's my it's because see the situations, everything is correct. Because I told I used to go to churches everywhere. Every time I will go under that upper mean what is called, I don't know, that I will go and take on down. When I will go this much, they will come and take away because I didn't do the baptism that after that only they can take that, right? That's the thing. So I will take. Also then we'll go to Manasarovar. Manasarovar Kailash. That is crazy. Some challenging I did these kind of adventurous. Adventurous that rock I showed yesterday, that height and you should understand. From my childhood, 1, 2, 3 years onwards, that is in our property only. You do not know. First you explore an hour. And that you will understand. There are one Pandavara, that Pandavas there, that is the entire thing we can see. Also, that today morning they have told that my country, everything I can see that in that rock I used to lie like this and I can transformation JD. That's the thing. Also sun moon that and like that's the thing. So many connections are there. Even a kiyata I told see now half of the people has been shifted to new building. So the old building is there. Money is not a problem. See from this week this fellow so kept this thing now this infection, this virus. Now my compensation price is 50 billion. നീയൊക്കെ കാത്തിരുന്നു കൂടാ നിന്നെയൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത് നീയൊക്കെ കളിച്ച് പക്ഷേ എന്തിനെന്ന് പറയുന്നറിയുമോ ഡു യു നോ ഹൗ ഐ എം ഗെറ്റിംഗ് ഫെയിൽ ഡിസ്ട്രാക്റ്റഡ് നിന്നെ പോലെ ഒരു ആണും പെണ്ണും കേട്ടോ സ്റ്റെബിലിറ്റി ഇല്ലാത്ത ഒരു പരനാറിച്ചേറ്റ അരെ കുത്തൻ ഐ ടോൾഡ് ദാറ്റ് I know that your entire background, that not now, right from the beginning. If I am trying to talk to a person, I will do a research. And I know each and everything. After that, I started. Okay? So you don't need to get afraid or get even an oripunakkolla pattigal. പിന്നെ നീ എന്തിനാണ് അതിനൊക്കെ സി മൈ ബ്ലോക്ക് ഈസ് ദാറ്റ് I do not have your number, but you have my numbers. See, I know that you are afraid to. I have taken a new number that I tried to convey to them, but they reached to these levels. And then that also might be, you might, I don't know. So then there are many people coming to see you. Otherwise, you are going to many places. Somebody's phone, you can send a message or something. Also, that the teacher and that from Noori, I have sent many messages. Okay. So there are many things. And blocking in the limited mindset, disappointment, you go. That's what you are feeling. You might be thinking that this will screw up. You have nice offers there, and you will get once you are out at that time, you will realize what your entire thing will be devastated. Also, then this solution might be provided that this thing, this whole thing there. This you can, so just to avoid me, after that you can grab power under this all sort of, so they will be thinking that that and all not going to work out. But anyway, one thing you people have done yesterday, that election the voter EVM Aadhaar card adding voters ID Aadhaar card This is what I was telling right from the beginning. How much 2 years it took. This is yet in the ability. Constitution. This is what you people are not knowing how much my brain power, my time is. See, there in IIT, I was saying at least only one that Rudra was in terms. We had a Radhaman. He will understand the right sense and we will that. Actually, if I am telling one thing, one time, I don't let me make me repeat all the same thing. That's what I'm getting anger. And I get comments the mandavati the same way this how this Cassie was hijacking in this Pushpa temple that Chomala this we know the Kayuta. He's a security. Their thought process, everything is like from the for the matter, their own word will get actual cover money, chara, money. This is the thing. So these fellows, whenever I'm posting about anybody, these fellows are proprietors, that's what these fellows hijacked everybody or something like that. I don't know. This is what these hijackers, and first they have to think that what is their activity. To this fellow, I used to ask them. So he's not known Casey. He's not knowing any connection. Then this fellows only send you me to that Varanasi. So they also, oh, do you go? And for I thought at least get me your number. So you search in Google. You see, Kachara Patel, each and every Malayalis. See, here in this room I am staying. This is Haryana lady. She has mental problem because her father, her husband died, and then she only took care of the children alone, and she suffered a lot. She only earned these all things. So that's what who are all the hard work, and they will get distracted because now they faced that much attack from the society. That's the reason that so. But when these fellows demolished my house and her daughter and that battalion only came, so they under provocation they did. So at the time ACP came and fired, so at the time this lady she slapped her daughter in front of the ACP. See, that's what the cult is. So she used to tell that so you consider me as your mother and I will arrange it. Like that. See, that is a lady. She's not knowing anything. I'm staying here now. But these Malayalis, not even a single fellow Kachara said this. I in a hotel that person also. Kachara the dialogues he used to put up. So he will not let other outside food to take or so what are the students? But these fellows only put to the chemicals and also. This is not even a single Malayali. Like a Kachara where will get a chance and grab. This is the thing. So don't get excited and don't depend on others that they will humor. So I told that do the Surya Namaskar and your all problem will be getting over and don't depend on anybody also. So these fellows again I used remember that there was a photo. What you are not taking 3 of them and you are going like that and so don't see these are who only Shiva Shakti was there, but remaining all these fellows created for distracting. You got delve into that. That's the only thing. So only Shiva Shakti is the ultimate. See, you just need to understand that. What this fellows will tell. In this my 40 years of life, only you were able to tempt me. Tempt me means I'm not getting tempted by seeing you, no. But whenever you are feeling, your all emotions are getting reflected in what are the really physically it will happen, that all is happening to my body. That's the thing. Any proximity, any direction you can do that. The same way that your emotions, but also that under not every time. When you want that it should get reflected in me. That is the thing. There is the Shivata. There are many things. This is a scientific study or connection. Okay. There are so many things. These are all fellows. These fellows, you must know that they are putting psychiatrists and all there. Unless these fellows limit. See, that's the reason I started this. Because these normal psychiatrists, their level and depth, I know that these fellows. See, you people are not knowing what is my plan vision. The entire paradigm shifted across the world. So be there. And during that big things, there will be so much of shatterings and so many things will happen. So don't get to dwell into that. Firm, stubborn, believe that. Okay? So don't go anywhere if they are asking also no. And these fellows are putting 18 to 20 deadline on after that. Even I care to put a deadline. And so I told them my entire life I dedicated. I don't have. So I started from Kerala. I don't have anything over there. I left my all connections and I started. Okay, I have plenty of time to do Aram do. So there are many things. And see these Kachar assholes will sit and analyze. See if they are capable, why they didn't solve the things. That's you need to understand. So don't get them. Also these crack leaders. I went to each and every fellows. And I understood that you are again forcing to that same, and so for you that's so you're habituated to that. So but everybody will do if you are obeying, everybody will do, and they will do, and there is a limit for anything. Don't force a person to. They have, or each person will be their own personality, the way they are maintaining. And from the past 2-3 weeks when I was running for this, everybody thought that I am in fear, stress, and I am shattering, shivering, and that's what for back fraud. I can understand the consequences what these fellows will. That's the reason I am trying to save you. And this is your ability to catch a manta with you. You see, people are not, what are the things I'm like, every day I'm getting distracted like that. So don't get excited so much at the decision makers. I told that, see, there is somewhere. And that devils are there asking for money into the, what are the dirty dialogues coming from their mouth, and I'll catch her afterwards. It's just a karma that I had to talk to these. But the thing in the nation, the higher mission, there's so many things all on hold. Also, this who are all put to these chemicals through this INA hotel and IKEA hotel, they will not be in the political field. Who are all it may be, okay? That frauds. This is same way in Edapalli also, that in the hotel they used to put under. So don't get excited under. See, go to the vendor system functionality good. Corrupted under. This was that I can understand that virus or that is passing through, penetrating through my body. Actually, this is the same way in last year March. They have kept that under the same exact left on here. The Kathranada pulled under moon in the March of photo. Last year also might be. Yeah. Last year I told Trembakeshwar before going there March then that exactly the same day. Now potty, then after that how much my body got in the even in Vorashika private GV. That this is what I have to do. If Parana Shavam Butcha Genma, if he's a poison for this universe, Kachara Purta party. But through Malayali, so who this there this. That's what they have decided to end like and then a potty. The same way this Abhishek team, sir, who have done. Last year also the same. Because these Abhishek and also were psycho. These all IITs, most of the fellows are psycho, genetic disorder, kachara frauds. If they are not getting something, they will get a murderous genetic disorder and it will devastate everything. So don't get dull into these all things. Okay. And one more thing, don't think that you can with your setup can grab a power and you will never become the Prime Minister of India.